Today I'm going to show you how to replace an LCD screen on an HP 2000 series laptop. Already went and removed the battery. You need an X-Acto knife and a number 0 Phillips screwdriver. So it'll be very simple. Only tricky parts will be removing the little plastic cover. Okay, I put them there because it's easy to keep track of and what have you. But the screws are hidden behind the hinge, but there's screws right here on both sides. Okay, remove one. It's always one. And there's the other, put it on this side. Fingernails alone, gentle pressure, slide and pull on the sides. Gentle pressure, don't want to break it. Okay. And that's the bezel. We have 3 screws here, 3 more, 1, 1, and then 3 on the sides, top, middle, bottom, top, middle, so you can replace the screen. I have the hinge covers. I'm going to unscrew them up here first. In here. Turn it over. It's the X-Acto knife to unsnap the hinge cover. There's one. There's the other. So now I can take the X-Acto knife and pull it up. There's one. You can also use the Phillips screwdriver and get the same result. Next, remove the screws at the bottom. And then the top ones. Careful with the lid, because after the last screw it'll fall. Okay. Now here's the important part. I'm going to move it carefully using the hinge. Only the hinge. We don't want to put stress on the screen even if it's broken already. Oh, or loose. This is the ribbon cable. Apparently it was loose. That's how it should be. Okay. Using your nail, just remove the tape and any adhesive that may be back here, but be very careful. You break the cable and you have to replace more than just the screen. And then lightly pull back and it removes it. Same way to put it back in place. I put my finger on the gold part with a little pressure and slide it forward until it clicks in. Press down on here slightly so whatever adhesive's left will adhere. Then there. Remove the screws on the sides and put the machine back together in reverse order. It's that simple. Now, just to test this for you, I'm going to put the battery back on. have a working screen. Okay. Putting it back together is relatively simple. It's the same procedure in reverse. The only thing is there's one step that has to be in order. I'll show you which one. Put it up there because it's the easiest place to start. Okay, here's the tricky part. You put the computer on its back and support it. Let's see if you can see closely. Okay, we're working this side. We have 3 screws that goes here. You need to put one of them before you can put the other 2. We'll grab one. The lower inside one, it's got a little arrow pointing at it. That's the first one you should put in. Because if you put the hinge cover first, it'll cover it, and then you have to back up and start that process over. I do it on both sides. Okay. Once that's in there, you can take the hinge cover and slide it. It's a little tricky, but just slide it under. Slide it back in place. Screw. Then the other screw, repeat the same process on the other side. Slide this over. Make sure it's nice and flush. Okay. And then the final screw at the hinge. Okay. Now just to make sure, little pressure down. It's snapped in. Let's get that away from the screen. And that's snapped in. Okay. From here on, just put the bezel back on. The 2 screws. Light but firm pressure on the bezel. The 2 screws down here, the cover. Final screw. And oh, sorry, battery. And we have a working screen. Thanks for watching.